This is a little clip from church today, guys. I enjoyed myself. You know, it's so nice to watch the young kids participate in church because you don't find that a lot these days. A lot of kids stay home and don't go to church, and trust me, these things need to happen. These kids need to know about God, and it was such a joy watching them today dance in church and sing. Oh my God, just watch. It honestly feels so good to just watch them dancing so freely and enjoying it. You know, the gospel. It was so refreshing.
Am I more than just a sum of very high and very low? Remind me once again just who I am, because I need to know. Oh, you see I am loved, but I can feel it deep. And you say that I'm strong, but I think I'm weak. And you say I'm healed, but I fall short. And where I don't belong, oh, you say I'm yours. And I believe, oh, I believe what you say of me. Oh, I believe the only thing that matters now is every